How big is the Milky Way? In fact, compared to the entire universe, it is as tiny as a speck of dust, because our Milky Way is only a small part of the local group, or the Virgo supercluster. In the distant universe, billions of light years away, you might not see planets like Earth, nor stars as bright as the sun. What comes into view are massive filament-like structures. This is what astronomy refers to as the cosmic web. They can also be described as being made up of millions, tens of millions, or even hundreds of millions of massive galaxies like the Milky Way, building up a cosmic Great Wall. When you fly outward from the Milky Way, eventually you will see this universe that looks like a fishing net. In November 2013, Hungarian and American astronomers used the SWIFT satellite in the Fermi Gamma Ray Space Telescope to observe the largest cosmic structure known to humans, the Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall. It is also a massive cosmic system made up of countless galaxies bound together by gravity. But the diameter of the Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall spans an astonishing 10 billion light-years. What does that mean? Let's put it this way. Even if you had started traveling from the time Qin Shi Huang unified the 6 states, on board a modern spacecraft reaching the third cosmic velocity, which is 16.7 kilometers per second, by the year 2024 AD, you would have only traveled 0.1 light-years. Just imagine, humans struggled across even 1 light-year, let alone the 10 billion light-years of the Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall. However, because the structure is so enormous, its formation remains an unsolved mystery. After all, this might even involve dark matter that humans have yet to detect directly. From Earth, the core of the Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall is mainly located between the constellations Hercules and Corona Borealis in the Northern Hemisphere, and is about 10 billion light-years from Earth. That is to say, even if piloting a spacecraft at the speed of light, traveling 7.5 times around Earth per second, without considering cosmic expansion, it would still take 10 billion years to arrive. From this perspective, if we placed our Milky Way inside it, it would be like a tiny speck of dust. However, our Milky Way does not belong to the Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall, but is part of the Pisces-Cetus supercluster complex, which is only about 1 billion light-years in scale. Yet, together with the Sloan Great Wall and others, they are also part of the large-scale cosmic web. They crisscross through vast regions of space and together form the observable universe, which has a diameter of approximately 93 billion light-years. And beyond this range, there may exist even vaster cosmic space. So it's not hard to imagine, on a sufficiently macro scale, everything including the Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall will seem insignificant, let alone the fame and wealth that we humans strive for all our lives. How much do they really count?